Today we're reviewing stock number 151621 on a 2015 GMC 1500 Crew. And our exterior color is silver. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, sunroof controls, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, polished alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 151621 on a 2015 GMC 1500 Crew, and our exterior color is silver.